Hi guys, this is Beem 470 Mini. Let's see what's inside the box. We have the projector. Then there's a power cable, a warranty card, a remote, and a user manual. So let's understand the projector in a more deeper sense. So it is 180-degree rotatable. You can rotate it any which angle you like to. Then at the back side of it, we have a few ports. This is the power socket. This is the USB port wherein you can attach your pen drives. Then there is a audio aux, then an HDMI port. So let's plug it in to switch it on. We'll plug the power cable here. Then this part will go into the power source. Now we have connected the wire. In order to switch it on, there are two ways. Either we can press this button or we can use this remote. So let's go with the other way. Uh, you have to press the on off switch present at the top of it. Now the screen may seem a bit blurry to you. So what we'll do it, we'll adjust the focus manually. So this is the ring that we can use to adjust the focus. We'll just rotate it according to any which way we like. So for example, this is the thing. I guess this is good for me. So this is how you'll adjust the focus manually using this ring.